Hello, welcome to my channel Let People Know. Today our topic is phonetics and phonology. So let's start the video. Why to study phonetics and phonology? Because these two are the study of speech sounds of a particular language, vowels and consonants. That is the reason we will study before speaking any languages, phonology and phonetics. Both phonetics and phonology plays an important role in speech sounds of every kind of language. So let's start with the definition of phonology. Phonology is the study of how sounds are organized in a particular or individual language. For example, the word cats. It ends with S sound, cats. So S is the example of phonology, how sounds are organized in a particular language, and this is about English language. Look onto the second word, dog. It ends with the Z sound. So this is another example of phonology. Now we will study a little bit about phonetics. It is basically the study of actual process of sound production, how sound is to be produced. The word phonetics is derived from the Greek word phon, which means voice or sound. Both of these, phonetics and phonology, deals with the speech sounds in a particular or individual languages. Let's have a look onto the example of phonetics. Whenever we say any word such as subscribe, so it is delivered to you through your ears as it is a sound. So this is called phonetics. Before trying to speak any language, we will have to study a little bit about phonetics and phonology, how sounds are produced and what is the actual process of a particular or individual languages. Thank you very much. Take care of you. Allah Hafiz.